You wonder why some containers like this one has corrugated steel walls while this one has just flat steel sheets. Most of the containers that you see, they are corrugated, which means there are bends, vertical bends on the side to increase the support. They are also very heavy, super heavy. If you look at the trend, you discover that there is a trend. Almost most of the containers are corrugated. When they are not corrugated, when they have just flat sheets of metal, they put them on the top. When I go down, I will show you the difference between the two. So it's a mechanical structure that allows the container to stand enormous stresses. A corrugated container can travel intercontinental, which means you can send it from America to Japan to China on a ship. Because it is still heavy, it can stand stress in all three directions. A flat sheet container, like a planar container like this one, is a local. It just travels within America. You cannot put that on a ship. It doesn't have a lot of metal supports in different directions. It can easily buckle and bend and crash if you put it on a ship. We go down and show you with a hammer the difference between them. This is corrugated steel. Turn the flasher on. This is corrugated steel. When you hammer it, that is the way it feels. It is welded steel. It has, if you assume X, Y, and Z, X which means horizontal, Y is vertical, and this Z is in the perpendicular on the two, we discover that the wall here has three-dimensional support by bending the sheets of metal and welding them where they join each other. So this one can stand enormous stresses in all directions. And if you look at the bottom, it has a beam here, it has a beam in the top, it has beams on the side. So these containers travel, look at this side, at the edges, it has enormous supports. You can put this one on a ship, send it across the oceans. If you look at on the train, you can see how they are stacked with each other. This one is very fragile. Look at when you hammer on this. If I hammer a little bit, I will penetrate the wall because this is very skinny metal. This is just lined inside with styrofoam to insulate it for freezing. It is a reefer container. Look at this container, UPS. You cannot put that on a ship.